this video, I'm going to show you why I've braked this completely fine model, how I've painted, how I've done a custom titanium exhaust, and how I've managed to assemble all together. So I've 3D printed this Liberty Walk body kit, and it's a full front piece, so that's why we need to take it all out. I've primed and sanded the body at this point, and for the base color, for the stripes, I've gone with the pure brilliant white. Awesome color. For the base colored Lamborghini Arancio Atlas, and over this I've used clear orange from Tamiya. And this is the final result. I'm quite happy how it came. It just looks awesome with those metallic oranges, and the way it looks just shiny. Next, we apply the carbon decals and the Liberty Walk decals. And as always, I've used 2K clear coat to protect the paint job and the decals. This is a really dangerous process, and you should always wear a mask for your safety. For the chassis, I've chosen to go with a completely normal build, straightforward. I'll let you guys see it. So for the custom titanium exhaust, the first thing to do is to take the right measures. gloss black all the time for the base color, and when applying the chrome, like in here, you need to turn down your PSI so you can go easy on the layers. And so for this process, you will need to lower down your PSI on your airbrush, and you just do these kind of movements. Go just right and left till you achieve the desired effect. And with this we are coming to the end of the build. So it was not easy to assemble the 3D printed front, but I've managed either way. But I think it was a really nice build. I've really accomplished what I was looking for to give that stance look and modern Mustang. Please like and subscribe. I really hope you like it, and I'll see you on the next because it's going to be fast and furious.